you're a do-it-yourselfer, you know what a pain it is to have to go searching around for that tool or part you need when you're working on your engine.
This neat tool holder from Mr. Tool Tray could be the answer to your problems. One end hooks on top of your firewall and the other rests on your radiator support.
All your tools and small parts are right there within easy reach, and most importantly, they won't be falling down into the dark recesses of your engine compartment.
I hate it when that happens. You know that little screw fell down between the radiator and the shroud, or it's on top of the suspension piece and you can never find it. 2 hours later you go, I'm going to the hardware store to buy a new one.
Everybody hates that. That's why this tool tray is so nice. It has little compartments to keep nuts and bolts and small parts from getting lost, and it has bigger areas for tools.
It's made out of tough plastic and it folds up for storage or carrying. Very handy.
And at less than $36, everybody should have one of these in their garage.
And here's something else you should have in your garage or in your tool collection, and that's a fender cover to help protect your paint while you're working on the engine.
Just like a real professional mechanic.
Yes, indeed. It has a felt backing to prevent scratches to your paint, and the top surface is vinyl that resists grease and solvents.
It's held in place by magnets that are sewn into the binding of the cover. And of course, it's flexible, so it fits any vehicle.
And anybody that's worked on engines knows how easy it is to drop a tool or a part on your paint. Well, for less than 17 bucks, you can avoid that agony.
Well, now I have something for you pickup owners out there. This is a bed hopper tailgate step by Topline.
It can be a pretty big step to climb up into the bed of most pickup trucks to load or unload something, and this makes it a lot easier.
It bolts to the inside of your tailgate where it lays flat until you need it. Then you just flip it down and you can gracefully climb in and out of your truck without any acrobatics.
The bed hopper really is a nice item because even if you have a step bumper on the back of your truck, when that tailgate's open, that bumper isn't much use.
The bed hopper is made out of heavy-duty aluminum and has a non-slip surface for safety. It's available in black powder coat or silver anodized finishes.
So for less than 40 bucks, you can add some real convenience to your pickup truck.
That's about all the time we have for right now. Next week we'll have more great accessories for you.
These